She got industry connections, man.
नहीं लाइफ में लाइक किसी ने
Life
स्किनी
में।
जीन्स पहनी है तो कट दैट बिच ऑफ
मैंने सोचा
थिंक
नहीं था।
डीपर
ना.
ओके नाउ दैट दिस इज योर पर्सनालिटी
And my parents were like, तू बॉम्बे जाएगा साले? तू अपना कोई नहीं है बॉम्बे में. Right, gang. This is Naam Sujal. Welcome to episode 6 of What We Cooking. What are we cooking?
Alright, no, I can't do this. Hi, this is Vaishnavi, and we're at the Bala workshop, and we have Sujal with us today.
Yeah.
Lots of fun planned ahead for you,
Yeah.
but uske pehle, tell me something about yourself. Something nobody knows.
About me.
Yeah, top secret vibes.
Everyone knows everything
Come
about
on,
me.
no,
Yes.
no, that can't
Nothing
be it.
secret. Nah.
Okay, how old are you?
19.
When did you start this journey?
13.
6 years. How has it been for you?
Good maths.
Thank
Yeah.
you. How has it been for you?
It's been inspiring. It's been every emotion. It's a roller coaster.
First time जब perform किया था, what do you feel like?
यार मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा था. बस दैट्स द फीलिंग कि मेरे को बहुत ही क्रेजी लगा था जब मैंने पहली बार परफॉर्म किया था. आई रिमेंबर बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट थे फ्रॉम माय सिटी और वो लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे थे एंड आई डिडंट इवन हैड सेट. मैं बस गया एंड आई वाज लाइक यार मैं एक गाना परफॉर्म कर दूं. तो बोले ठीक है यार, मतलब जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा है सब कुछ, कर दे करके एक. एंड द क्राउड वेंट लाइक ओके हु इज दिस किड, ये कौन है करके. सो या मतलब बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल था एंड देन द जर्नी कंटिन्यूड.
What is the first outfit you ever wore?
ब्रांड्स का नाम नहीं ले सकता राइट में. पहला यार मुझे याद है मैंने का एक कोई तो शर्ट था वो उठा लिया था और एक नॉर्मल पैंट उठा ली थी यार. तब उतना था नहीं, मतलब जो सेम चीज 10 जगहों पे पहन लेता था मैं तब.
You're in the right place. Then I'm going to show you some really fun outfits.
Yeah.
And I've seen कि you wear a lot of ties. So we are going to teach you how
From
to
the
make
past
a
few
tie.
weeks, yes.
अभी हम tie बनाएंगे आज.
Yeah.
Let's just take you into
All
it.
right, I'm excited.
Bro, actually, before I show you how to make a tie,
Okay.
tell me something about your fashion personality.
Fashion personality.
ज़्यादा deep हो गया क्या?
हाँ हल्का ज़्यादा deep हो गया, but I've got a answer for this. So basically, I think fashion should just be an extension of your own personality.
What he said.
I've got the choice कि मैं कुछ भी पहन सकता हूँ, right? I would prefer चटक चीज़ें because that describes my personality.
So in one word, you're chatak.
Yeah.
I have something that I would love to show you.
Okay,
But
okay.
before that, I heard you're from Nagpur.
Yeah.
The only thing I know about Nagpur is oranges. I think we all know that.
Bruh.
Tell me something else.
Bruh.
What do you bring from Nagpur to your rap game?
The culture, the authenticity, the people, and the environment.
Love it.
Yeah.
But okay, wait. Let me show you.
Okay, gang.
So this is chatak. I wanted to try it. So we need to take the fanny pack off.
Got it. भाई this looks cool. तो बहुत ज़्यादा crazy नहीं दिख रहा इसमें.
How do you like it? I love how it looks on you.
I love it.
It's so cool.
बहुत ज़्यादा crazy लग रहा है ये.
Okay, now that I know कि 13 साल पे you started rapping.
Okay.
उसके पहले क्या करना था लाइफ में?
उसके पहले मुझे बस डॉक्टर बनना था. मुझे नहीं बनना था, पता नहीं मेरे घर वालों को बनाना
Wow.
था. IAS, IPS कुछ ऐसा कुछ बन
Crazy.
ताकि सब कुछ sorted जाए. जो
That
कि
is a
normal.
switch, bro. Like a doctor, IAS, IPS to rapper.
You know, when the switch really happened, मेरा MBBS 10 मार्क्स से छूटा है, आपको पता है बस. Just 2 questions.
Oh, so you're a smart kid. Are
Yeah.
you a first bencher?
Yeah, I got पता नहीं 91% in 12th.
Oh shit, bro! I
Yeah.
got 87. Okay, we're not very,
okay.
we're not very far. I have another question for you. So
Alright.
you were gonna be a doctor. Now
Yeah.
you're a rapper.
Yeah.
But I'm definitely more creative than you because tell me the story behind Naam Sujal. That is wow.
You're definitely more creative than me. What's up?
You were like, okay, कोई पूछेगा नाम क्या है? I'm like, okay,
नाम
Naam Sujal.
मेरा नाम सूजल.
Just like Vijay Sales, like you know exactly what he does, what he. No, tell me the story.
बादशाह भैया का एक टाइप ऑफ रेडियो या फिर पॉडकास्ट टाइप कुछ था, नाम बादशाह. एंड he is and he was like my idol back in 2017, 18, 19. या मैंने बोला यार ठीक है मेरा नाम सूजल है बट इट्स जस्ट सूजल, तो मैंने नाम सूजल कर दिया.
Cool, fun. So now nobody's gonna forget.
पता नहीं पहले बहुत क्रिंज लगता था बट इट वर्कड आउट.
Bro, it's
It
only
worked out.
cringe until you blow up. Cringe
Yes.
is the myth. We're not going with that.
What work have you done in the industry till now? Who are you?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, what is your name?
Okay.
Give me your Aadhaar card.
So,
Yeah. What's up?
it's weirdly, my whole idea was to start like something which is high fashion but still makes you feel different, an extension of your personality, like you said.
Yeah.
But weirdly, the music industry became like my main TG. It just happened. So I started with
What's the
Divine,
TG?
Target Audience, Target Group. We're educating him today, guys.
Target
okay,
audience,
Target
TG,
Audience.
PG's target audience, guys.
So
Forward.
Divine was the first rapper to wear my pieces,
Oh.
and it happened a few times. And then it happened like I worked with Gully Gang, I worked with
Damn.
Bacha had DM'd me once, and this is a funny story, guys. So he sent me this fire emoji, and I was like, bro, ab door khul gaya, so I'll just be shameless. And I was like, bro, let's make a music video together. He left me on scene. So if you're watching this, not cool.
Why,
Anyway,
why?
that's what happened.
Why?
But please, Bacha bhai, hit me up. I want to
Okay.
make clothes for all you guys. But now we're going back to Sujal.
She got industry connections, man. That's what's up.
Do you have a hot take
Yeah.
that'll get you cancelled everywhere?
I don't think so cancelled, but yeah, do you know J. Cole?
Yeah.
I put J. Cole over everyone.
Why?
I just like him.
Do you like Drake?
Yeah, I
Who's
like
your favorite? Who's your favorite international artist?
J. Cole. Yes, it's
Wow, okay,
straight
I think
simple
that's
like
the
that.
first.
It's simple like that.
But
yes,
sick.
yes,
Okay, I
yes.
think बहुत बात कर लिया.
Okay.
Now let's go make the tie.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and now we have our fifth. God knows what frame. That frame, whatever he said. We're going to make a tie, but I'll tell you how it goes. So you take a pattern, and all of that is already done, the tough job.
Okay.
Now we're going to stitch. But while we do this, tell me something about your new mixtape while I figure this tie out.
My mixtape is coming in a month or so. I don't
Okay,
know,
fine.
but yeah, उसमें बहुत crazy collabs है and
Jesse, you want to do some sneak peek?
no,
Top
confidential
secret,
guys.
top
It's
secret.
confidential. An album, but it's a conceptual tape type thing. Yeah,
What is a conceptual tape?
it has conceptual songs.
Oh, deep.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
okay.
deep guys. We deep with it. We philosophical with it.
Like everything can be a secret. Ek naam.
Killa Classic.
Killa Classic
Yeah,
sounds
I performed that on Rap 91 the
Oh,
other
I
day.
saw people were losing it.
Yeah.
How was that experience? Also,
जब
you
मैंने
are
देखा कि
doing something.
unreleased गाने पे it's like 3,000 people going ham मैं बोला
That is insane. Do you feel like crying?
no why
You're like no.
why do I have to
I don't
cry?
know, emotional like Killa Classic Life. Okay, guys, that's a sick name.
Yeah.
Take a picture, bro. Take a picture of this
यार, ये बहुत crazy
extreme
लगता है, ये
effort
बहुत
that
crazy
I
लगता है
am
यार
doing
मुझको।
because you're just watching me make a tie.
No I'm not
Oh, you're not watching
बनाओ।
also. Okay, I'm just like God knows what I'm doing. मास्टर जी अभी इसके बाद क्या करना है? नहीं वो छोड़ दो और बस ठीक है. Okay. We figured it out, guys.
satisfying है यार ये
What do you want to say to yourself 4 years ago? That is when you were 15. Now that my math is good and we've established that. 15-year-old self
great.
को क्या बोलना है और 23-year-old self को क्या बोलना है?
कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है they know how the shit works
Oh shit.
Yeah.
15-year-old self also knew.
Yeah.
15-year-old self wanted to be
that's
a
why
doctor.
I'm here
15-year-old self wanted to be a doctor, no bro.
nah the 12 years self
This is the only close to cutting you've come then in that case as a doctor. You want to use... Okay,
Whoa,
what is that
whoa.
one moving point in your career that changed everything for you? And when did it happen?
I think it was moving to Bombay
When
for
did you move to
hustle. For
Bombay?
hustle. घर पे कॉल आता है कि such and such you have been selected for the auditions
मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है
of Hustle season 4 and my parents were like तू बॉम्बे जाएगा साले अपना कोई नहीं है बॉम्बे में और it was like
You've come like to a new city like without knowing anyone.
like Nagpur people and like
Yeah.
other small town people Bombay is like सपनों का शहर and all of that right and it is like हल्का सा crazy
Yeah.
so जब मैं पहली बार आया ट्रेन से and I did that अपना audition and all of that happened और हम लोग ट्रेन से वापस आ रहे थे and I started getting calls कि आपके और demos
But so you like you applied for the audition and then you got selected or you went, they called you. for
they
the-
called me and then I went and I did all of that और जब मैं घर पे आया तब मुझे confirmation आया कि you have been shortlisted for the show not selected shortlisted
Oh, sick.
yeah so मैंने घर पे बताया कि ऐसे ऐसा है and they were like they didn't believe it कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ होगा भी कि ये सही में जाएगा कि बस फेक रहा है and then मैंने कभी फ्लाइट में ट्रैवल नहीं किया था मेरी लाइफ में okay then the first boarding pass came and मैंने मेरे पापा को दिखाया and they were like
Crazy feeling.
bro लोगों ने फ्लाइट कराई like
Crazy,
then जब
bro.
मैं फ्लाइट में बैठा ना and it took off that was the turning point कि bro
That was a change in your life.
yeah
Insane.
बहुत ज़्यादा crazy मज़ा आई थी यार बॉम्बे आके अभी
And
मज़ा
now it's been how many years?
in Bombay
Yeah, in Bombay.
ना मैं 6 महीने रहा बस फिर then I traveled back
What? Oh, sick. So now you're not staying in Bombay, is
ना
it?
मैं तो 1-2 दिन ये रैप 91 के लिए आया था मैं
Oh, crazy.
की एज कितनी है by the way
ये नहीं कैमरा पे पूछना ब्रो नॉट अलाउड मैं I'm 18 ये ना मेरे से बहुत बार टूट चुका है धागा सो मास्टर जी आप ये लगा देंगे क्या प्लीज Okay, guys.
Yeah,
Anyway,
करो.
moving on. Are there any other art forms you see yourself exploring?
आर्ट फॉर्म्स या डांस करना अच्छा लगता है मुझको थोड़ा बहुत.
Like break dance,
Type shit.
b-boying.
Type
Yeah,
shit,
that's what a rapper I can.
और बहुत कुछ मतलब मेरे को तो बहुत कुछ अच्छा लगता है. मेरे को वीडियो एडिटिंग और सिनेमेटोग्राफी एंड डायरेक्टिंग फिल्म्स एंड स्टफ वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
Oh yeah, so you have a new music video coming as well.
Yeah,
Tell me
yeah.
about that. क्या हो रहा है music video में?
So basically I think जब तक ये वीडियो आएंगी तब तक आ जानी चाहिए कट दैट बिच ऑफ की वीडियो. But yeah, it's like rage, aggression, rebellious nature of the youth.
Does it come from some personal emotion? Cut that bitch off.
Yeah, मतलब day to day life I think.
Day-to-day life, you're cutting bitches off. Bro, I love that energy, bro. That is insane. So tell me about who are these bitches
Cutting
in your
bitches
life? Bro?
off.
So many bitches.
No.
What is your biggest ache?
एक मतलब cringe.
मतलब घिन आती है, मूड खराब हो जाता है.
किस चीज से मुझे घिन आती है?
Like my ache would be skinny jeans.
अच्छा वैसे फैशन रिलेटेड.
नहीं, लाइफ में like किसने
Life
skinny
में.
jeans पहनी है तो cut that bitch off. What is your ache?
So aggressive with that.
Fully.
Oh shit. यार मुझको ऐसा कुछ क्रिंज नहीं आती किसी चीज से. सब अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
पता नहीं मैंने
Think
सोचा नहीं
deeper.
ना.
तो मैंने आपको Instagram पे stalk कर लिया है and there's like
Grateful for that.
3 photos that have really touched my heart.
Oh my god.
What do you have to say about this? ये thought process क्या था mind में ये?
कुछ नहीं था, वही कपड़े थे मेरे घर पे, वही पहन लिया था मैंने. कोई thought process नहीं था. But how would you rate the outfit?
Yeah, rate this. Oh, I have to
You
rate it.
rated. You are
Okay.
great, stylish. Difficult question.
Okay, now that this is your personality, Chatak to is there because it's a bright yellow. Let's say 4 out of.
Damn.
Okay, let's do 6.
Four. अरे
Let's do
हाँ
6.
मतलब यार I
6
think
because of the bike. Is that crochet on the bike?
yes.
7, bro. That's a 7. That's a 7.
Yeah.
That okay. That's a
And-
winner actually. Let's go to your next picture.
Yeah. So अगर मैं हल्के से बताऊँ ना आपको इस पिक्चर के बारे में, this was my papa's first moped.
So cute.
Yeah,
And
and
who clicked this picture?
My
Papa
friend,
clicked it.
Nana, my friend. It was a music video. My song was named Scooty ES Freestyle.
Moving on to your next picture.
Next picture. This is really edited.
What
yaar.
is this?
This is black and white.
What is OKHH? Is it okay? Like is that what it's supposed to be? Okay. Like what is this?
It's okay, yaar.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay. Yeah, that's what- it's okay.
It's okay, yaar.
It's absolutely okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next
This was
one.
my first music video though.
In life.
Yeah.
How old are you here?
15.
4 years back.
Yeah.
Okay.
15 na? 16. Yeah.
Here, this
Okay.
picture. I like this. This is cute.
This is good,
This
right?
is a nice outfit.
Yes,
I give
yes.
you a 9 on 10. It's giving Barbie, but it's cute.
Barbie?
Yeah, guys can wear pink.
They
Guys,
can. They can.
that's a
They
comment
can.
कर दो.
Don't stereotype, guys. They can, guys.
Yes.
Please, guys.
What is the story behind this outfit?
अरे नॉर्मल गाना था, वही था मेरे पास,
This
पहनने
is
को पहन
cute,
लिया था
guys.
मैंने.
I don't know if you can see
Yes.
this. They're gonna tag
This
the
was one
picture.
of my best cover arts. ये मैंने
बातें.
बनाया, ये पूरा बनाया मैंने.
Oh, I got a sale.
I'm-
Thanks to me, bro.
Yeah.
Anyway, do you have any questions to ask?
What's your
me?
age?
28.
Damn,
I eat all the time.
Damn.
But okay, eat like not right. Eat like people be like, "ये खाती है." That's not it, guys.
That's not it. guys.
That's not what I
it.
mean.
Yeah.
But any other
you
question?
Look younger. You look younger.
Thanks.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
you heard him. You heard him.
ये
No.
आपने कब चालू किया था आपका सफर
मैं
फैशन के
ना-
साथ में?
अच्छा.
Yeah.
2014. So I
2014.
2014. How
Yeah.
old were you then? 8. 2014 I started.
Your math is good.
तो चोर पुलिस खेलता होगा
Yes, I was it.
So
Yes.
I started. I was in NIFT. I did masters after that, and
किस
that's
चीज में?
fashion design.
No.
I studied fashion design for 6 years,
Oh.
5.5, 6 years.
Okay.
Then I was like, this is what I want to do in life.
Yeah.
Because fashion is personality.
Damn.
We've gone through that too many times.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your hot take in the fashion industry that will get you cancelled for sure?
First of all, like I said, skinny jeans need to be cancelled.
More.
And stop wearing white and black t-shirts everywhere. Sorry,
Why?
guys. I'm
Why?
sorry, guys. That's an attack.
Why?
I mean, wear it.
That's an attack
Wear
on
it.
me.
Wear it. This is not a t-shirt. In your defense, it's a sweatshirt. You're
Yeah.
safe.
Okay.
See-
But I do wear a lot.
Wear
of,
it, but
But
add a little more spice.
nah.
Yeah, you gotta add a little more spice, bro. Otherwise, it's just
No, we ain't got time.
cut that bitch off. Okay, I think.
That's the greatest promotion that we have done.
Bro, I think I've promoted
Let's
this
do it.
too much.
Yes.
Guys, Balav Workshop, BALAV official on Instagram.
Oh, shit.
Go to my website. Don't act cheap. It's expensive. You need to spend that much money to
Go to
look
Naam
cool. We
Sujal.
already made him
Go to
wear the
Naam
Chatak
Sujal.
blazer. So, the last question. I was going to say, what's your age?
19, which is
So
19.
you're underage, basically.
Nah, I'm overage.
Call me
underage is-
Didi at this point because you're underage.
I should call
but
you
Didi.
ma'am.
Ma'am's good. Ma'am's good.
Ma'am's good. Didi
Balav,
is good.
ma'am's good.
Auntie's not good, right?
I'm gonna cut him off, bro. I'm
shit.
gonna like.
Damn.
Okay, last question. What is your food for thought? Or like, let me rephrase it.
What is food for
Fit
thought?
for thought. जो मन में आए बोल दे. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I think. I think nobody cares about food for thought. Say whatever you feel like. What do you think food for thought is?
Gang, I feel conflicted, gang. मेरे पास कुछ बोलने के
Attacked.
लिए नहीं है.
Like, why am I sitting with this? Cut that bitch
Yeah.
off.
Cut that bitch off. It's the food for thought, guys. Just cut that bitch off. Yeah. You really
That,
need to.
bro, that's crazy.
You really need to. Cut that bitch off. Icon, guys.
Go to Balav.
Press the bell icon.
Spend
Go
some
to
money.
Naam Sujal,
Ask your father to buy you some
Don't spend
crazy
it.
outfit.
Don't spend it. Yeah.
No, what the fuck? Say spend it.
Nah, bro. We ain't got money.
Nah, Suj. Is that so? Rappers don't make money. Is that what?
They make a
oh
hell-
shit! That is the
a
hot
whole
take
lot
you're
of
waiting
money,
for.
bro. They make a
That is
whole
the
lot
hot
of
take
money,
you're
man.
waiting for. So then shop. Come on, guys. We're going for a shopping spree with Naam Sujal, getting him to do some Kaam Sujal.
Kaam Sujal.
And yeah.
Yeah.
ये है Imam Sujal. Our
Oh,